In this video, I'll show you 5 fundamental indicators which will help you determine when Bitcoin is going to reach its next all-time high. First, we need to know what the normal distribution is. It's going to use the mean, which will be the average value of our data, and the standard deviations, so how much the indicator deviates away from the mean, which is the average value. For this video, we're going to flip the normal distribution around, and if the indicator is deviating further below its historical mean, this can suggest a potential bullish signal for Bitcoin's price. So if we see that the indicator is showing a -3 value, that means Bitcoin is probably going to be reaching all-time high pretty soon. To start, we're going to be looking at the reserve risk first. We can hide all the unnecessary elements, just so we have reserve risk and Bitcoin's price. So here we're going to draw the normal distribution, like so. So this would be a -2, -1, 1, and 2. And right here we have 0. We can see that the reserve risk is showing us a +1. Now I want you guys to realize that if the reserve risk is around -2, then we have all-time highs in 2018 and also right in 2021. You see, when we have reserve risk all-time highs, we have Bitcoin all-time highs as well. So I think Bitcoin can still keep increasing its price. Next is Puell Multiple. We'll do the same thing. Now here the data is a little bit skewed to the left. That's okay. We can still do the same strategy. Draw our normal distribution. So 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, and -3. And this line would be 0. So you can see here that it's about -0.05. I want to show you guys the same tip. When the Puell multiple is at a highest negative value, Bitcoin's price, we see an all-time high. Same here in 2018 and 2021. So I think the Puell multiple can still go up, and Bitcoin's price will also. Next, we'll do the MVRV. Right here. This data is also skewed, but these websites, they already, how can I explain this? They already take that in account, so you don't have to worry about skewness. And you don't have to draw this normal distribution every time. You can see here that they give you these indicators already. So MVRV, we could see that it's around 0.5. So we're still gonna wait for the MVRV to go turn negative before we sell all of our Bitcoin. Next, it's the net unrealized profit loss. Okay. The blue is the net profit loss. This data is also skewed a bit, but that's okay. We can draw our normal distribution. And don't have to worry about the skewness. Like so. You can see here it's around negative 0.1. If previous times Bitcoin was at all-time highs, the profit loss was around -2. And lastly, the RHODL ratio. Same thing. We'll draw the normal distribution. And we'll do the same thing. We can tell that it's around 0, so -0.4. Previous times it had a much higher negative value, especially in 2018. So I hope you guys understand how to use my indicators strategies and apply them to different types of indicators in order to determine when Bitcoin will reach all-time highs again. Thank you so much.